All right, so this is her trying to get the cat to come out from under. Anyway, this is the remote. The power button is at the very top, so we hit that, and that turns the TV on, as you can see. Bam. Now to navigate, you have a navigation circle. So if you wanted to go up, you click here. You want to go down, you click here. You want to go to the right, you click here. Left here. As you can see, it's on. I'm going to mute it. So this is the home button here. This is the Alexa button. So if I click the home button, it should take me home. Right now I should be able to navigate down and find different things by pressing here. So now see how it goes down if I click here, it goes up if I go there. If I want to go right, I go like this. If I want to go left, I go this way. All right, so let's go down. Let's just look at that. Now let's say you wanted to watch that. All you have to do is press this middle button, watch. And what it's going to do, it's going to open that up. And then if I wanted to play it, I would click on this play button right here by just clicking there. But let's hold on for a second. Oh, let's go ahead and play it. We'll play it. All right, so now it's playing. All right, now if you look right here, you're going to see there's a little stop button. So if I hit that, it should stop it. All right, so now look, it stopped. And it says go ad free. I could do that. But I'm looking to see the way to mute it. Ah, here it is. This is the mute button here. So let's mute it right now. When I do that, up top, you're going to see that little thing. You see it right there? That means it's muted. All right, so now if I wanted to play it, I just press this button. And then it's going to play. Now this is an ad, so I don't think I can fast forward or I can reverse it. Let's see if I can fast forward it. Fast forward. Unavailable during ads. All right, so you can't fast forward ads. You follow me? So we have to let the ads go through. But while that's happening, I'm going to show you, this is reverse, this is fast forward, this is play and pause. This is up and down for channels. Same thing there. Down here's the mute button, and then you've got your Prime, your Netflix, your DirecTV, blah, blah, blah. All right, so now this is going to play, right? Following is intended for mature people. Now, if I wanted to, I could stop it right here by pressing this, watch. And it should give me a timeline on the bottom. And then I should be able to press this to fast forward it. And you can see over here, it's fast forwarding. 10 seconds at a time, right? All right, so if I want to go forward, I press this. You see how that white area is moving? If I want to go backwards, I go like this. And it goes backwards. If I'm good, I press this and it starts playing, or it freezes it. So it's frozen now. Let's go ahead and start it. I press this, it starts. I press this, it stops. You follow me? So that's how that works. All right, so if I press this, it'll go back to the previous page. All right, and it should just take me back to the page here where and then all I got to do is press this to play it. All right, so now it's going to come back and play. You can see I still got it muted. If I wanted to unmute it, I would just press this here, right here. All right, so now this right here, I believe, is the menu button. Let's press it. So now it gives me all the information on the side. If I wanted to do the subtitles, I could. I'll press it again. See, audio, subtitles, watch from beginning, next up. So it kind of gives you like options through the timeline. So, but that's pretty much it right there. If you wanted to do Alexa, you would press this and just say like, Alexa, play whatever. And then hopefully it would do that. All right, and then if we want to turn off the TV, we just press this again, right up top here. And it should go off. Boom, done. And that's it right there. That's your Fire Stick, whatever you call it. And this is a screensaver right here. And it says, try public view of AI art. No thanks or yes. Let's try it, see what it is. All right, so this is the AI art. AI art. I don't know, that must be the screensaver. I think this also is settings right here. Let's press it and see what we get. Oh, right, yeah, so there's settings on that side where you can change your profile or your inputs, or you can look at your display mirroring, apps, all that stuff. And then this here, I think, this is regular TV. Oh yeah, here you are. So this gives you, like, you know, each one of these things like has their own kind of TV thing, and then you can go up and down by using this. See, watch. Well, first of all, I got to get down to it. All right, so let's go down. So we're on that now. If I press this, it'll go down. Yeah. So this lets me go up and down in this menu. You follow me? And then this, I don't know. Let's see what this does. Oh, look, this must be the sound. Yeah, that's our sound. See the sound bar up there? Watch. I'm going up by hitting the plus sign, going down by hitting the down sign. So that's what those do. So if we want to get out of this, we would just come back to home button and press that. And bam, it comes back to all the apps. All right, so that's that. So you've got like a TV kind of channel that is a Prime TV channel by pressing this. And then this is your home button with all your apps. And that's your pull up on the side when you're watching a movie. And that's your settings. And that's it right there. I think that's pretty much everything on here. And you can use headphones too. You see headphones at the top there. All right. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on the FireTV. Peace out.